Hey, it's Anna. Welcome back to For Real, where we make tech easy. Today, I'll show you how to remove a recovery contact on your iPhone. Maybe you added someone and changed your mind, or you don't need it anymore. No worries, I got you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step, and trust me, it's super simple. Before we start, tap that like button and subscribe to For Real for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's go. First, what's a recovery contact? It's someone who can help you get back into your Apple ID if you forget your password, like a backup plan. But maybe you don't trust them anymore, or you just don't want to use this feature. No problem, let's remove them. Now grab your iPhone and follow along. It only takes a minute. First, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Second, go to Password and Security. Third, tap Account Recovery. Fourth, under Recovery Assistance. Find the contact you want to remove and tap their name. Fifth, tap Remove Contact. And lastly, a pop-up will appear. Tap Remove Contact again. That's it, they're gone. Apple removes them instantly and they won't be able to help you recover your account. Simple. If this video is helping, hit that like button. Also, comment below, have you ever had to remove a recovery contact? Maybe it's a privacy thing, or maybe there's a story, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Before you remove someone, here are a few things to know. You'll have one less way to recover your account. If you forget your password, it could be harder to get back in. Apple won't notify the person you removed, so no awkward convos. You can always add someone else later. If you change your mind, it's easy to add a new recovery contact. And that's it, super easy, right? If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any other iPhone questions. I might cover it in the next video.